Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing ownership and readiness. Gather your receipt, IMEI or serial, and the account credentials tied to the phone. This proves you own the device. Once done, make sure the phone has battery and a network connection so official services can respond. Avoid attempting unofficial bypasses. Instead, prepare to use supported recovery options or contact Oppo support. This secures your choices and speeds the legitimate recovery process while protecting your data and warranty. Next, pursue sanctioned recovery paths that respect security. Try account-based recovery. Sign into your Oppo or Google account on a trusted device to trigger device location or unlock options. If you have cloud backups, note what can be restored so you don't lose data. At this stage, avoid third-party tools that claim to bypass locks. They risk data loss, malware, or voided warranty. If those options fail, prepare documentation and contact an authorized service center for a secure, official. Finally, complete the recovery by restoring data from your cloud backup or freshly setting up the device after an official reset performed by you or an authorized technician. Once access is restored, choose a strong passcode or biometric method and enable regular backups and remote locate/erase features so future issues are easier to resolve. If something goes wrong, device not recognized or account access denied, your best troubleshooting step is to visit an authorized center with proof of purchase and ID for help.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.